To make vegan banana shake, here I'm soaking a handful of cashew nuts and will store this in the fridge overnight, which is around 8 to 9 hours. Next day morning, into my blending jar, adding the soaked cashew nuts, taking 3 ripe bananas, will peel its skin and chop them into 3 pieces. Adding the banana into the blending jar, and we'll start preparing our vegan banana shake. This recipe takes hardly 10 minutes of your time and it tastes really good. Pour this into a glass and add some black grapes from top. And we are done.